secrets, it's time. Let's call the rust of the ashes of dust, you and I. We're children of seasons that turn. Born to be born, we must carry the smile of the risen. Yes, you are here. Healing rainfall, whisper your heart in mine. Break my stone tears 6 feet down by the river of life. We are seasons that turn, turning, turn. In those stones know what we do not know until we are healing. Yes, you are here. There is a time for every purpose under heaven. A time to shake the dust, put on your garments, beautiful. It's the feast of the risen. Yeshua here. Come on, rise. It's